Happy birthday, dear Roy. Happy birthday to you.
Two trailer park girls go round the outside, round the outside, round the outside.
The secret side of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is ugly. I feel the rage and I just can't hold it. It's scratching on the walls, in the closet, in the halls. It comes awake and I can't control it. Hiding under the bed, in my body, in my head. Why won't somebody come and save me from this? Make it in. It's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become. The nightmare's just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. My secret side I keep hid under lock and key. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. Cause if I let him out, tear me up, break me down. Why won't somebody come and save me from this? Make it in. I feel it deep within. It's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become. The nightmare's just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel it deep within. It's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. It's hiding in the dark. Its teeth are razor sharp. There's no escape for me. It wants my soul. It wants my heart. No one can hear me scream. Maybe it's just a dream. Maybe it's inside of me. This monster. I feel it deep within. It's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become.
Hey, bang bang. Hey. I don't know if you heard me. I said bang bang. I thought it was right now.
It's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I gotta lose control.
We did. Good
I must confess that I feel like a monster. 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 I feel like a monster.
Just got like 6 or 7.
Yeah, call it a challenge, it's nothing to me. Make it look easy, it's hard to believe. Look in the mirror, that's how I compete. Now I gotta tell him you not in my league. Whoa, I don't ever wanna fit in, I'ma stand out. And I never was given no handout. Everything been a part of my plan now. Cause I do all the things that I wanna do. Ain't nobody telling me how I gotta move. I won't ever tell a lie just to get the views. I'm the only one left that I gotta prove. Don't give me no lessons, I don't wanna hear them. You not in my shoes, you don't know how I'm feeling. I've been at the top, but I don't got a ceiling. My circle is small, we don't need your opinion. I'm never gonna follow, I'm born to be leading. I put in the work in the regular season. I ball in the playoffs like I'm 23 and I won't ever stop, got a lot I'm achieving, yeah. I've been determined, I know what I'm facing. Write out my goals and that's all that I'm chasing. Still on my journey, I'm never complacent.
Oh shit. I am now. He just killed me after I hit you. Oh, it is friendly. I killed them all.
Ow!